Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a Will I Buy It new makeup releases video. It's been a little while since I have done one, and I wanted to get this up super quick for you guys because there is a lot of new makeup coming out that I want to talk about whether I'll buy it or not. Let's get right on into the video. The first thing I want to talk about is the Urban Decay reloaded or unloaded palette, whatever it's called. This palette, in my opinion, is similar to ABH's Sultry palette, except that palette has a better color scheme in my opinion. I also do not like the formula of most Urban Decay shadows, especially like their naked palettes. And it's like 64 Canadian, which is too expensive in my opinion. Next, of course, I need to talk about the ABH Spring Collection. Y'all know that when there is ABH hype, I am there. The eyeshadow palette is called the Riviera eyeshadow palette. It is colorful. We got some bright colors. Of course, I'm going to get some items from the collection. I am getting the lightest highlighter, the palette, and I also picked up the spray because I want to try it out and I didn't want to wait a month since it is Ulta exclusive for like a month. MAC has a flowery collection called Boom Boom Bloom coming out. It's typical of MAC to have lipsticks and yada yada. I am not a MAC fan. I'm not against them, but I also don't like most of their products, so I'm just gonna be skipping that collection entirely. Kylie Cosmetics is coming out with loose powders finally. I personally don't order a ton from Kylie anymore because liquid lipsticks are too dry for me. So if there is ever a good product that I want, y'all know I'm gonna go get it. We have the Viseart Petite Pro palettes, the fourth one and the fifth one. The fourth one is this super peachy nude. I am not living for it. That is one of the most boring palettes I've ever seen. But the Viseart 5 is absolutely beautiful. My only issue is I wish there were more mattes compared to metallics in that. I don't think I need either of these palettes right now. I may end up getting the fifth one when it comes to Sephora, but that just kind of depends on all the other palettes that I have on the way. The thing I am most excited for is the e.l.f. and J. Kissa collection. I love J. Kissa. She is such a good beauty guru, and she's she's just amazing. So to see her collab with e.l.f., which is relatively affordable, is great. They have such cheap items and most of them are good quality. I use e.l.f. I actually just recently made an order. I am definitely going to get the full collection. I'm also going to get a backup of the palette since it will not be restocking. I'm just really excited. Kat Von D is coming out with pencil eyeliners. They're retractable. There is going to be white, black, and brown. If the formula is anything like their lip liner formula, I'm definitely going to get it once they have better colors because I don't need white, brown, or black. Second to last, we have the ABH Cosmetics and Daisy Marquis collaboration. Now, I was excited for this. As soon as I saw the color scheme, I was like, oh my god, I need that. That is so pretty. And then I saw the packaging, and upon first look, it looks beautiful. I love the color, great. My issue is that it is bulky. Now, we're not talking, a palette that's nice like this ColourPop one. It's thin, it's compact. What more do you need? Most BH palettes are nicely sized, but unfortunately this one is not. It looks like there is a mirror compartment, and I think it's probably about that thick. And I wasn't gonna buy it. The price was right though. It retails for around $19 US when I purchased it, and yes, I did purchase it mainly because the colors got me, and if I don't end up liking it, I'll just give it to a friend. Lastly, we have the Lovelux Beauty Powerful Palette. Now, I've never used Lovelux Beauty. I don't typically use indie brands simply because it's usually expensive to ship to Canada, because God forbid Canada wants to get good shit. But when I woke up this morning, I checked my email and I actually got an email from them saying, hey, look at this, because apparently I'm on their email list. I forget even totally doing that, but that's fine. And I had early access to this palette, so I went and looked at it, and kind of a spur on the moment thing, I ended up getting it, mainly for everything except for the super pink and stuff like that, like the neutral. I'm just down for all the colors in this, so I did pick it up I think it looks good, and I've heard very good things about their makeup, so I'm excited to try it. And that is everything in this Will I Buy It video. Let me guys know down below. You guys can let me know down below if you guys want me to start doing anti-hauls, more Will I Buy It, etc. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!